how to crop a video on CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and further tap on the new project option and then select the video that you want to crop. Once the video is imported, tap on the video clip in the timeline and then scroll through the toolbar and you will see the crop option. Tap on that and then drag the crop handles to adjust the frame. You can pinch and move the video around to crop what you want. And once you have the desired cropped size, tap on the check mark on the top right of your screen to confirm. Additionally, you can also tap on the aspect ratio option from the bottom toolbar of your screen and further choose a ratio like 1:1, 9:16, or 4:5, or any other option from the provided ratio based on what type of a ratio you are looking forward to, and then tap the video clip and use two fingers to resize and reposition it within the frame. This also acts like cropping by adjusting what's visible. So, this is how you can crop a video on CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.